Welcome to our demo. We will present a brief overview of our application, which is a platform for organizing Draughts tournaments for children. First, we will log in as a tournament organizer, after which we will schedule a tournament. We call it Nederlands Kampioenschap Dammen, add a description, registration deadline, playing dates and location as well. We set this tournament to be a primary school tournament and add a few categories for the teams in which the students will compete. Now we can select a place to search for nearby schools and we'll search close to the tournament location for now. We can select schools either using a map or in the list below. After selecting some schools, we will send them a templated email and we can use a standard template or modify it as needed. We select to which schools the emails are sent and a final preview is shown. Our point of view is now changed to school principal. After receiving the invitation email, we can choose to register. If no account exists for the school yet, we can set a password by clicking a secret link. After activating the account, we will now log in. We see the tournament and have access to a registration link for students. Since it is a tournament for primary schools, we register as a parent account. If we would have registered before, we could just log in, but for now, we will create a new account and add a child immediately. If the parent has multiple children, they can add those later. We quickly showcase that the repeat password functionality also works. We may also unregister the kid and then register again. Each student can enter a Roblox ID. Our client has made a Draughts platform using Roblox, and students can view their progress, such as match or puzzle rating, by entering their ID. Finally, the school principal or tournament organizer can manage the teams. Here, for example, Xenia joins Saskia's team called Power Girls, while Kjeld joins a new team called the Strijders. This can be done by dragging or by clicking. This concludes our demo. Thank you for watching.